Hi there, this is Penelope. This is question 11 in a series of short videos looking at the answers for test 2 for MG5004 DE5418 2020. Okay, so this is just a fairly straightforward question. Again, we've got the formula that you're given, putting in the limits. So it's a matter of finding y squared. You've got that y is equal to 3e to the x over 3, and therefore y squared is equal to 9e to the 2x over 3. Take the 9 out the front, maybe take the pi out the front as well, and then just find the integral of the exhibits. Very straightforward at that stage. E to the 2x over 3 divided by 2 over 3, so that becomes times 3 over 2. And again, you could, before you did anything, you could take the 3 over 2 out. And number crunch. May as well leave it in terms of pi unless you're asked otherwise.